Today I've got another box of tools from Japan to open up, 29.5 kilo box, so it's a full one. Let's have a look what we got inside it. Okay, well we'll start with what's on top, and I'm pretty sure I know what these are. Okay, we got a box of plumb bobs. All the same style, but we've got 3 different weights. We've got 400, 1200 and 800. Got a set of 4 planes. Now here's a style I haven't seen before. It looks like some sort of Kiwa Kanna. It's skewed, but I haven't seen this sort of offset before. It's in pretty good nick though. Well used. It's getting pretty short, but it looks to be yeah, that's sharp. Fabulous blade. That might be a keeper. Another one of these monster stonemasons hammers. That's well, it's meant to be 10 kilos. It actually feels more. Maybe it looks bigger than the other one though. Yeah, it feels heavier too. No, this is the last box that was in there. We have 3 different sizes of hammerheads. Now these are Japanese log picks, or Japanese log pick heads. It's old unsold stock. So handmade, but they've been sitting around for quite a while. But these are great for saving your back from bending over for picking up firewood, or for moving logs around prior to milling them. I've got Western style ones of these which are just brilliant to use. Save my back all the time. So there's a number of different styles and sizes. I think I might actually make this one a keeper. It's very tempting. Well, that was a real quick one because yes, it was 30 kilos of tools, but 11 of those kilos was just one hammerhead, and a lot of the other stuff was pretty chunky as well. Coming up, I've got, I think in the next couple of weeks, I've got 3 boxes of saws arriving. I've got a whole stack of stuff that came from a shop that got flooded, and it's an insurance write-off. Some of it is unbelievably good quality, some of it's going to be a bit water damaged, but not going to know until I really open it up. Also, I've got a bunch of new stuff coming from the guys at Bakuma. As of, well, when this box arrives, I'm going to be stocking a bunch of their stuff, and the range is going to be pretty limited at first, but it's going to expand over time. And if you aren't familiar with Bakuma, they're of the mid-range industrial made blades, they are probably the top. I wouldn't say they're quite as good a quality as the Gyuko, but they're a hell of a lot cheaper. A lot cheaper, so I think they're probably the best value for money saw, which is of course why I want to be stocking them. Also, for you guys who've been buying stuff from me off eBay or looking at the stuff that I've got for sale on eBay, there is a whole stack of limitations that eBay places upon us sellers, things that we just can't do. So there's limits in what I can offer in terms of discounts and combined postage rates and that sort of thing. But if you order off me directly, then anything you see on eBay, I can give you an automatic 5% discount, and I can do a much better rate on the postage because eBay won't be slugging me for about a 13-14% commission on the postage rate plus whatever they charge for whatever you buy. So keep that in mind. But until the next box, until the next video, which is going to be more thatching because I'm going to finish off the corner of this bit and then I'm going to start on the reed. Stay tuned and I'll catch you guys anon.